Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get those beachy waves. It's not a makeup video today, it's a hair related video today. So all you need is a curler and a setting spray if you want to. It's totally optional and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use the Alan Truman curler and it's already plugged in, so it's hot. And you also get one like this sort of a thing to keep it, to place it while it's getting hot, which is amazing thing. And there are three buttons over here, and first one is to increase the degree of this curler, and the second button is -1 to decrease it, and the third one is to switch on and off. So first, when you on this, there will be written off over here. You need to press it for like 5 seconds for the switch on button, and then it's gonna start. So you can't just on the switch and it's gonna heat up. You need to press the power button too to make it heat up. Okay, before that I'm gonna comb my hair. I'm just gonna make the partition up. Okay, so I've combed them and now I'm gonna start. Okay, so first I'm gonna take a small portion. You can also tie it, but I have not tied it. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the front portion. You can start from the back portion too. Actually, if I am in front of the mirror, I feel comfortable doing the back portion first, but now as I'm making the video, the front portion will be much easier for me first. So, okay, so it's quite hot right now, and you want to make like a beachy wave, a sort of curls. So you need to put it this way from front. Keep it like this for 30 seconds. Also, you can see the difference that I have completed this side, and I'm gonna just spray it before moving forward to the second part, as I have done smoothing on my hair, so the curls won't stay for long if I don't spray it. So I'm gonna spray. I'm using the Taft Power Hair Lacquer Power spray, so you can check it. It's quite cheap and you can get it on any store like Nykaa, Amazon, anywhere. Yeah. Also, please protect your eyes and mouth with it before. Just comb it if you want to, and yeah, that's all. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.